Welcome to Sugar River Family Practice. I'm your host today, Elizabeth Durazio, and we have a unique perspective on the patient relationship with the doctor today. We actually have a patient of Dr. Gordon Black who's going to tell us just what it's like to be part of this unique approach to healthcare. Mr. Croteau, I understand that Dr. Black asked you to come here and you're going to share your experience with being one of his patients.
Yes, thank you.
What drew you to this practice?
Basically, I found out about Dr. Black previously when he was at his other location downtown in Claremont. I had an issue, urgent care issue. I went to him and I was very satisfied. So when he decided to relocate and start his primary care physician care, as I've had needs, I've come here.
You mentioned it was an urgent care issue. Was it the fact he was able to give you that time you needed to explore that issue that really made you realize this is the primary care provider you wanted?
Yeah, it was partially that. It was the fact of being able to go there and be seen immediately. I had, it wasn't an urgent condition, but, he was able to see me immediately. He diagnosed me, and he followed up. So when he ended up starting his practice as primary care, I figured that that's kind of the same service I was looking for.
And it is. When we go to a doctor, we really want to feel that we're going to get an answer right away, or at least get pointed in the right direction.
Mm-hmm. That's correct, yeah.
Now, he's located conveniently right here in the center of Claremont, which is very easy for those of us who work and live in the area.
Yeah, I mean, easy access. I mean, there's plenty of parking out back, an elevator to come up, to get to his space. So somebody with some ADA issues is able to, to easily get to his office space. Located right on Pleasant Street, right in the heart of downtown historic Claremont. So it's really easy to get to. It's very convenient. And, for a lot of people, it's an easy walk to get here.
One of the things that I've noticed as I was walking in here is this doesn't feel like the industrial medical facility. It has a much more personal approach. Did you have that experience?
Yeah, it does. You look back at 100 years ago when the doctor actually went to somebody's home, to assist them in whatever they ailed them at that point in time, whether it was an emergency or not. And it's no longer like that. Doctors don't go to your home, but it kind of it gives you that homey feeling. I think it's part of, the building, the woodwork of it and everything else. When you walk in, it doesn't feel like that typical hospital feel. It feels more like, it would be at home.
And it's interesting that you mentioned that, because in our discussions with Dr. Black, we noticed he was really intending to have that home-like experience and really make his clients feel at ease, because it was something personal. You weren't going to be rushed out the door. You had that one-to-one attention. And it sounds like you've had that experience here and you continue to do so. That's why you've remained a patient.
That's correct. Yeah, that's why I did remain a patient, and I'd recommend anybody else to come and become a patient of his.
Did you find it was easy to transfer your records over through the system that he recommended?
It was. It was very easy. All I did is fill out the request form, and they mailed it out, and they ended up getting everything back, and actually he gave me a copy of all my records, which was nice because I'd never seen my records before.
Isn't that funny?
Yep.
It's our record and we never see it.
You never get to see it, yep.
Well, thank you very much for joining us, Mr. Croteau. And if you feel like you would like to check out the Sugar River Family Practice, you heard it right here from one of their very own clients. It's a convenient location. It's a great place for an exam or an urgent care issue at their walk-in clinic. But also, if you're looking for a slightly different approach, something more personal where the doctor can give you more time, follow up with you personally on the results of your test, perhaps you should come and check it out. Dr. Black and his friendly staff, I'm sure, will be willing to see you and very happy and glad that you came.